по-русски? No Ruski. I speak English then. When I was little boy, I play Risk. Older brother Boris always occupied Kamchatka. Now I grow up, I occupy Kamchatka. My name, Vladimir Donaldovich Krenovsky. I am here to play two for you. Famous Russian classic music, Flying of Bee by Nikolai Rimsky-Korsakov. But I have small problem. I just flew in from Siberia and... No, yet. I am not idiot, I took aeroplane. Siberia very cold. My hands are frozen. Since hands frozen, I play Flying of Bee slower than usual. It's okay? I get paid note for note. You sit longer. Comrade Nazarovsky, Apolichinska, it's time now you leave. Here, you occupy Kamchatka. This one not working, I try this one. That one not working, I try this one. I tell that lady 3 times, make pipe organ in tune before show. Comrade Nazarovsky, is okay I use big keyboard on the floor? He's holding here or it's just me? Seriously? You nice guy, Rick, but too much Pakalo, you know? Or too much Kamchatka. Okay, I try. Okay, this good. Now I play for you best Beatles song all time. Back to USSR. Moscow, Leningrad, Vladivostok, Hilo. And for music lovers, Prokofiev, Khachaturin, Shostakovich is. That's done.
name is Randy Skaggs. Clay and Janelle are tied up right now, so I'll be your MC for the rest of the evening. Let's have a big warm hand for Vladimir! Okay, now, I've been given the honor to make sure someone takes home this wonderful gift basket from the Palace Theater tonight. So, when you came into the house, you were given a small ticket. I want you all to find that ticket now. Some of you might have to stand up to reach into your pocket to find it, but I'll wait. You might have to look in your purse. It may have dropped in your popcorn, but I'll wait. Okay. Oh, what do we have here? It's well, it's a lot of stuff. It's a, oh, this is one interesting thing. It's a get out of intermission free card. And looks like a I hate Netflix t-shirt. And it looks like the antidote for the curry. Okay. I need to have, I think Norman is around. Norman's down here. Wonderful dancer in the first set, Norman. Wonderful job, Norman. Do we all have our ticket? I don't want to waste any time with this. Two. 4, 3, 8, 9. The last 4 numbers, 4, 3, 8, 9. If you have it, please say, "It's me," and stand up. Where are you? It's me. There you go. That's so wonderful. You know, you go out at night and say, "Oh, I wish I could get something for free." And now, ladies and gentlemen, on with the show. Oh look, it's Clay and Janelle as the dueling Houdinis, I guess.
Oh my
Dueling Houdini's my foot.
Oh my
You look
God.
okay, my dear. You look lovely tonight.
I was just
No.
I was covering for you guys. You know,
Yeah,
you know,
I
Do you
sure.
know how hard it is to hop in these heels?
I can't imagine who would do such a
I
thing.
can imagine, and it was you. Get back to the pit and keep blowing,
Please.
okay?
Oh my goodness. To the
Take your seat. Take your seat.
You try to save the show, you try to make the show better.
I don't get no respect around.
I can't take my seat, some old guy's in it.
We get a nice
My seat is right here under my ears.
Sir, excuse me. This is a family show. Let's keep it all very nice and fluffy, okay? Can I get an usher, please? Hurry, let's get this
I
to
like
the
this
chair.
seat.
Well, we'll find you another even better seat, okay, sir? Thanks again. There we go. Help him, don't let him fall. There we go.
My seat's all wet.
I knew I forgot to do something during intermission.
Well, if it'll make you feel any better, Randy, you can play Up a Lazy River.
How about Old Man River?
Oh, well.
As far as I'm concerned, you're both washed up as my co-hosts.
Well, you know, I think Vladimir's falling asleep over there. We're ready to get on with our first act.
Oh,
Ladies and gentlemen, a very special treat. Funeral March of the Marionettes.
I love that. the most mesmerizing in our show. As glorious as the days gone by of vaudeville, a very special, spectacular ventriloquist act with Jessica Dempsey and her pal, Danny.
I travel light.
I travel heavy. Ah, I see you're still sporting that vintage look there.
Yes, it makes me look younger.
Keep thinking that. Hey, I thought I was gonna die in there. Next time, you ride in the trunk and I'll put my hand up your ass.
Why, Danny? We have company and there are kids in the audience.
Why? Did they lose a bet?
No, they're here to be entertained.
Like I said, did they lose a bet?
No, they're here to see the show.
What show? Are we on television?
No, this is live theater.
I thought I heard some breathing out there.
Yes, I'm expecting to be entertained.
Well, we better get out of the way, sweetheart, so they can start the movie.
Oh, actually, I thought you could sing them a little song.
I'll tell you what, if you stop moving your lips when I talk, I'll sing them a song.
I am not moving my lips when you talk.
You may have fooled them, but I'm sitting right here, and your lips are moving like a cow chewing cud.
That's hardly flattering. Now be quiet.
That is one way to keep those lips from moving.
Shut up and sing.
That makes lots of sense. Who's the dummy now? Einstein?
Just sing.
There was a boy named Danny with a talent quite uncanny. He eats a board and then, good Lord, the box came out his fanny.
Oh, wait a minute. What kind of song is that?
I used to sing it for my nanny.
When did you ever have a nanny?
Oh, back when I was just a knot on a log.
Back when you were just a knot on a log.
My life hasn't changed much, has it?
Oh, never mind. Why don't you sing, Danny Boy?
Why? So I can watch your lips move some more?
I tell you what, just to prove to you that my lips aren't moving, I will drink something while you sing.
I don't want to do that.
Why not?
I'm not thirsty.
You sing, I'll do the drinking.
Just like every lonely night in your bedroom.
Oh, that's enough.
99 bottles of beer on the wall, 99 bottles of beer. You chucked it down and you're on the ground.
Danny Boy!
Yes, mommy dearest.
Sing the song, Danny Boy!
Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are clogging because you killed the toilet paper tree. Oh, Danny boy.
That's it! I've had enough!
Now you know how the audience feels. I'm sure they've had enough too.
I'm still the one in control here.
Big talk from ventriloquist with flapping lips. You should call yourself Lady Flounce-a-Lot.
Oh, that does it!
Yeah? What do you think you're gonna do about it? No! Please not that. Don't drag up the dummy. I hate it when you do that.
Too late, Danny. Or should I call you, Danielle?
No! No! Oh, sweet mystery and why my glass got found here. This is embarrassing. You just wait till we get home. You have it
That must be my cue. Well, that's one way to drag out a dummy, myself included. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce my dear friend and creative compadre, Miss Lina Manning.
I was ready. You know, Clay, it's always such a pleasure to work with you.
Well, Lina, the pleasure is all mine.
You know, we have done so many shows together, but never a musical number on this stage until tonight.
No, that's quite true. We do have a lot of memories together. Some might say foolish memories.
Good song, segue.
Well, I wrote it just for you, my dear. I just can't sing it. You are gone and I am here.
I am here and you are gone.
Gone are you and here am I. Little things around the place I find.
That of you do me
garbage in the sink.
The spot upon the carpet where your mother spilled her drink.
The picture of your father that was taken in the clink. Tender little foolish memories. The wedding license that I bought would start a gay adventure.
The baseball bat I used each time I thought you needed censure.
That little satin shoebox
Where you kept your plastic denture.
tender little foolish memories. We could have been such a happy pair.
But something must have gone wrong.
It started with that honeymoon trip.
I still think that I should have come along.
A pair of dirty stockings drying on the shower curtain rack.
The lovely negligee.
You wore just like a potato sack.
The day you left and said goodbye and tied me the railroad track.
Tender little foolish memories. I feel like jumping in a river, but I'm scared that I might drown.
But I'm so miserable without you, dear. It's almost like having you around.
I can't forget the concrete in your homemade angel cake.
The time that we went walking.
And you scared a rattlesnake.
Oh, I know
I'll see you in my
dreams tonight. Now that's what I'm saying
away. Tender little foolish memories. Tender little foolish memories. Tender little foolish
That was sweet.
Well, thank you, Janelle. You dropped some bling there, darling.
Oh,
Don't trip on it. Well, dear, why don't you take the next one? Lion and I will be backstage having
do
some more
anything.
memories.
don't do anything foolish, Clay.
Don't be ridiculous, darling.
This next act is both exotic and mesmerizing. Help me welcome to the stage with a warm palace welcome, Daniel Sloan and his amazing crystal ball.